Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. All categories of fuel will see increases in prices effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 more. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also go up by $4.50. $3.06 will be added to the cost of propane and the same $3.06 to butane. More Jamaicans were optimistic about current business and job conditions in 2022 than they were in 2021. The negative views of current business conditions fell by 4 percentage points. Business confidence was, however, up by 3.3 percentage points. Pollster Don Anderson says in 2021, 12% of those interviewed believed that current business conditions were good. That number increased to 15.3% in 2022. Current job conditions have also improved.
We felt that jobs were plentiful. That moved up to 11 percentage points in 2022. At the same time, whereas 60% in 2021 felt that jobs were in short supply, that number fell to 46% in 2022, again saying that consumers are or felt pretty good, not only about businesses in 2022, but about the current job situation in 2022.
Mr. Anderson says despite that ranking, more people are expecting that business and job conditions will decline in 2023. He says the expectations follow a number of factors affecting economies both locally and internationally. Sygnus Real Estate Finance says it is seeing returns on its investment and is exiting its first major $1 billion Jamaican profit-sharing real estate investment note. The third-party project to which the investment was linked was 74% complete in October last year. Meanwhile, Sygnus says the $3.7 billion Belmont Road 9-story commercial tower is also on track for completion in mid-2023. It says 80% of the corporate office spaces have secured renewable 10-year lease agreements. The company also says the industrial warehouse facility on Spanish Town Road is 87% complete and is set to be finalized by February. In addition to 56 Lady Musgrave Road, Sygnus has also acquired the 58 Lady Musgrave Road property. The group says it has already started the value creation process for the two properties. And the US dollar is selling for an average $154.20. $115.22 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $187.24 for the pound, while it's costing an average $169.46 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index fell by 1,250 points today, while the junior market index rose by 29 points. Leading the advances were JMMB Group 7% VRCR preference shares, Stanley Motor, Epley 7.25% preference shares, T-Tech, and Community and Workers of Jamaica deferred shares. The decliners were Epley, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Kingston Properties, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Jamaica Public Service 9.5%. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.